Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing a how to apply eyeshadow for beginners. So I have my palette and I'm gonna be using cappuccino. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So you want to start from the outer corner and then go inwards. So you see how it's coming out. So you want to grab a little bit more. I need to grab more. So now I need to blend it in right. See, so now it's blended. Now, make sure you grab all of it. Some of you guys, I know you guys don't use, so you're just gonna keep blending. Make sure you grab your whole eye. Don't leave like a spot. But like I was saying, like some of you guys don't use eyelashes, which is pretty good, I think, in my opinion, because as soon as I started using them, I don't want to leave anywhere without them. So start blending. So this is a natural look. I don't want to go too far in or too extra, so I'm just gonna do a basic color. So now for my left eye, I do want to go a little bit darker, so I'm gonna go with the espresso. See, so I start different ways. Like I could start from the inner corner, or I could start through the outer, or I could just put it in the middle, both, and then just start blending in. Ooh, this one's really dark. Ooh, as you can see, it looks really dark. Make sure you're blending. Before you do anything, like before you even start doing your eyeshadow, please do your eyebrows. I did my eyebrows earlier because I feel naked if I don't have my eyebrows done. But before you apply your eyeshadow, make sure you do your eyebrows and you haven't done your mascara, please, because then your mascaras are gonna get all types of ugly. So again, I'm gonna start applying everywhere. Make sure it's blended. So what, look at the difference. So now that it's done, you want to apply back to my espresso and put some on the bottom. I usually don't use this brush. I use a different brush. Let me show it to you guys. The brush you use looks like this. So let me grab my espresso. So that's the look. And now I'm gonna show you guys of the other side. So I'm gonna go back to the cappuccino, grab the cappuccino from my palette. So that's it for this video. I'm not gonna do a full face because my face is kind of breaking out, but for this video, this is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment down what you guys want to see.